Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a local guide on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. I've opened the Google Map. As you can see, there isn't any option for local guide. So what you have to do is, you have to go on Google. And here you have to search for Google Local Guides. Just select the first one site. Once you reach to this page, then you have to hit on Get Started. Once you reach to this page, then here you have to fill up all these formalities and make sure you must have Google account. So fill up all these details and hit on Become a Local Guide. So it's quite easy to become a local guide, and that's it guys, how to become a local guide on Google Maps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.